Welcome to Unsupervised Learning, the part of AI where models become explorers without a map. And today, I'm showing you how it works with examples that will blow your mind. This is the secret sauce behind customer segmentation, playlist recommendations, and how Netflix figures out your weird taste in shows. What is unsupervised learning? Here's the deal. Unsupervised learning is when a model is given unlabeled data and asked to find structure. No answers provided. It learns intuitively, like how your brain notices patterns without being told. The machine learning landscape. Let's place it on the map. Quick comparison: supervised, data with answers; unsupervised, data without answers. Reinforcement: learning by action plus reward. 30% of real world AI use cases are powered by this exact method. It's built for messy, real world data where labels don't exist and insight matters most. Key: clustering algorithms. Clustering is where it gets spicy. It's how AI divides the chaos into order. K means fast and simple. Hierarchical clustering builds a tree of groups. DBS can finds blobs and weird shapes. GMM thinks probabilistically. Dimensionality reduction techniques. Ever looked at a 200 column Excel sheet and wanted to cry? That's what dimensionality reduction solves. So let's start here with PCA. Summarizes data into fewer features. TSNE, UMAP, shrinks chaos into 2D maps. Autoencoders, neural networks that compress and reconstruct. This isn't just data compression, it's insight extraction. So let's start here with something that really shows the power of unsupervised learning, how it's used in the wild. And I'm not talking about research labs, I'm talking about apps and systems you use every day. Customer segmentation. In case you've ever wondered how businesses figure out who to target, yeah, this is it. The model groups people based on behavior, clicks, purchases, patterns. Boom. Instant marketing segments, no labels required. Cybersecurity, anomaly, detection. So imagine your systems being monitored and something just feels off. AI spots that anomaly, like someone logging in at 3 a.m. from Antarctica. Yeah, that's probably not normal. Genomics, biology. This one's wild. Scientists use clustering to group genes that behave similarly. So instead of manually testing combinations forever, unsupervised learning helps them zoom in on what matters. Challenges in unsupervised learning: it's not all perfect. No ground. Truth: you don't have a right or wrong answer. So it's kind of like, is this cluster good? Hmm, maybe. You have to use your instincts and domain knowledge. Subjectivity: two people could interpret the same clustering results differently. Like, is this group power users or just late night shoppers? Depends who's asking. Computational complexity. Oh, and these models? They can be heavy, especially when you're working with lots of dimensions. You'll feel your laptop begging for mercy. Validation requires expertise. You can't just plug it into a scoring function and go. Future of unsupervised learning. Let's talk future, because this space is booming. Integration with deep learning. We're now seeing models that use unsupervised learning to pre train themselves. Like, BERT wasn't labeled by hand, it just read everything and learned patterns on its own. Autonomous discovery. In case you're wondering, yes, we're heading into territory where AI learns without us. New research directions. From neuroscience inspired models to clustering text, DNA, even art. Unsupervised is expanding fast. This stuff isn't going away. It's getting smarter, faster, and low key scarier.